In this video, I'll show you how to create terms and condition page for free in few seconds. So all you need to do is to go to this website, and here if you scroll, you can see here terms and condition generator. Now you need to type your company name. If you don't have company, just enter your website name. Let's say Adstraca. Now your website name, again Adstraca, and your website URL. Nice. All you need to do now is to press submit, and your page is ready. You have two options. You can download, you can copy like a HTML, or you can copy like a text. I hope you find value in this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.